Hello everybody. Funny time. Funny time. Abandon ship. Fuck no! I don't know why I picked up the guys. Oh dear! They have to hit me up the again. They don't do. Oh God, hell! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Hit the microphone. I'm not the microphone on YouTube. I can do have a microphone about it. Stop. You mentioned the top. Yeah, have a microphone. Have funny time. Have funny time. Appreciating. I need to do this. Ow! I hit my drum in my neck. What you doing? What you doing? What you hitting me? It will be the tip of Hey! Stop it! Oh, bloody hell! Okay, I better do that. You gotta be close. You gotta be close. I have to do the cut with the microphone. No! No! Not you gonna do it! No, stop it! Stop it now, please! Stop it now, please! Stop it now, please! No, Bobby, with the microphone! Leave it in! Leave it in! Talk to the microphone! Talk to me! Talk to me! Now, bloody hell! You hit me with the microphone! Stop now, you're gonna break the microphone! Stop it! You'll break the microphone! It record at me. You hit me with record. Don't break the microphone, please. Don't hit, ow! Don't hit me with the microphone, you don't. Don't break the microphone. Can you break the microphone, please? I don't want to have to, I don't want to have to get it. I don't want to have to get it into the microphone, take it to the next picture. Yeah, give me that breaking microphone, the next picture. You make it work. It's working now. It's still working. Hey man, you hit me with it to make it better. Darling, I don't know how you done that. You whacked me with it and now it working better. Okay, that worked well with me. That worked good. That worked good with me. Darling, you gotta do that now. Here, hit the camera, hit the camera. Hit the camera, darling. Darling, hit the camera. Hit the card. Let's shut the dot. Can you shut the dot for me, please, darling? I don't know why it can't quickly again. Guys, why are you going quickly? Okay, one over. You gotta turn the format to the camera. You can format the card. It may get rid of that football book too. Bloody football. One of our football dogs is hunting dash. We can delete the card. We don't need it anymore. But then we gotta check it. We gotta upload another video of a different video. Don't worry, darling, we gotta upload a different one. And it says, oh look, there's a football book now. I'm like, we don't need that bloody football book now. We deleted it so many times. This is a fun time video. Just a bit of an evening of anything. Oh look. 1, 2, 3, 4. So weapon. You formatted it, have you? Hang on, darling. Hopefully now that football bloody book 2 is gone. Gone for good, hopefully. Hopefully it never comes back again. Until we record the football book again. They don't believe it doesn't hold us again. And hey, stop it, system. I'm trying to do something here. Stop it, go away. People can know where they are, but rapping, hold on, rapping, singing. Hey, I got 2 songs. I upload. It's a bit of whatever do, darling. It's a bit of a fun video. You need to make a film you want to talk to the guys. If you're going to say anything to them looking, I don't mind. I'm not very on talking. So this is a little catch up. Little talk, little fun. We gotta call it the fun time, poor region. Get to the beginning of it, we have funny. We have fun time. This is a fun time, whatever happens. So, and don't get annoyed with any of it, because it's only a bit of fun. If I the video, it's called fun time. Whatever happens, it's just having fun. So don't have any offense by any of it, please. My echo word. Don't like my echo word. My echo word. My echo to go beep 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 beep. Sound like a bloody alien. My ear started sounding like it sounded like an alien. Beep 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 beep. Almost caught. My ear started to do Morse code at me. My ear started to do Morse code. Started going beep 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 beep. I got my budget. I'm babbling in the chair. I'm babbling in the chair. I haven't had my microphone. I'm doing two different things. I'm doing three different things at the same time. I'm doing three different things at the same time. I'm making a video holding the microphone. And I'm uploading and I'm making a video and uploading and I'm babbling at the same time. I'm triple tasking. I'm triple tasking, guys. I'm triple tasking. I'm babbling, making a YouTube video and uploading the video at the same time. Upload. We got 3 cameras now, so we can do 3 different videos when we do spots, can't we? Isn't that right? So this time we can get the view of the basketball net.
Yes.
View of us, hey, darling, this time we can get the view of the basketball net and that. Now we got 3 cameras. Now we got the 3 cameras, darling. We can get the view from us, from me, my view. Can't we? Hey, babe. We're talking about upgrading our channels. So you need your microphone as well. Even you can sit there like that. Talk. Babe. Stop playing on the bad phone. We're talking about things.
Stop!
Yeah, take it Now, while you're playing in the game, you can also talk about the upgrade. My keyboard go wrong. We can talk about updating the new airline what we're doing. We got, excuse my dishes. We got 3 cameras now, haven't we? Darling, we got 3 cameras now, haven't we?
Yeah.
So when we do our spots, we can do a video for me. We have the basketball net and the ball, can't we? And we can do a board so they can see us all, see us both, see us doing it. So, that is how we're going to do the recording. For now. I don't know why she's going on for, that's just part of the video. It's a bit of fun video. I'll update the video to sit down. Thank you, sir. Just back together. Get it to your mouth. Get it in your mouth. So guys, we're having fun. Listen to what you have to say. Not what you have to say, the book. I'm listening to you.